Hello everyone. Hello guys. I will show you a new experiment to make PCBs and I will demonstrate how can you use um, sulfuric acid to dissolve copper. So we will start with sulfuric acid plus copper plus peroxide water. So if you produce plus so this reaction produces sulfuric copper sulfate and remain sulfuric acid. This we will use to dissolve this PCB if you compose it of copper, and you can recycle this copper sulfate into more sulfur acid. So when you make copper sulfate, you can electrolysis them with copper anode. Copper anode, and here's a beaker. White copper wire. Positive, negative. So the ions here, like 8 and sulfuric and copper plus on that. This is a positive ion. Will be attracted with this anode, and the ions of hydrogen like water and acid will be attracted here too, but the copper it's more stable, and you'll be attracted with fresh than hydrogen ions. So the sulfur it's not more electronegative than oxygen, hydroxyl. So hydroxyl will discharge here and produce oxygen bubbles. So with this you remain with copper, solid again, and a solution of sulfuric acid. So I will recycle the solution. And you can use the acid to dissolve more copper. The changing the color make blue because copper sulfate is blue. And here blue change to light more clear, not blue. So I will return to the original reaction to put more peroxide here to dissolve more copper. Next reaction, okay? And so it's a easy way to make PCB with the same acid forever. No need more acid, no need to use iron peroxide. So it's more times you can dissolve more copper again. Okay, thank you. I will demonstrate this reaction in a beaker, so you can see the change in the color, and I can make another reaction, and so on. You don't need iron peroxide, another substance to do this. So thank you for watching.